If you're like me and you cannot take the clutter around your home anymore, we can help.
Organizing expert Janelle Lam is here with some space-saving solutions to help you maximize your living space. And you can scan the QR code, by the way, to shop along. Hello.
Hi.
Thanks for having me.
This is perfect because it's like time of the year to kind of clean.
Yes, it is.
Let's start with shelving. How can this help us organize?
How chic are these acrylic shelves?
Love.
And actually, you don't need any tools, no drilling, no holes.
Wait, what?
These are adhesive.
Huge.
So you can just stick them on in any room of the house. It's amazing. You can use them.
Can they hold?
Yes, they can hold
things?
They do also come with holes and drills, so you could make them more secure if you wanted to. But you can use them in your bathroom, reduce that countertop clutter. Perfume.
They would hold this much things.
Absolutely.
The adhesive?
You want the adhesive to stick for a little bit, and then you put the weight on it, and they're totally great. You can use them in the entryway for sunglasses. Use it for decor, a little succulent.
I love this for a kid's room.
This is the coolest.
You could also use it for like their little cars or their little figurines. So it's aesthetic, but they can also see what they have.
Amazing.
Next, we have a way to store water bottles. These really do, like, sort of, bulk up in your home.
Oh,
yeah,
absolutely. There's nothing worse than opening the cabinet and you have a water bottle avalanche.
Yes.
So this solves that. So that totally solves it. This holds 9 water bottles.
Wow.
And it's horizontal. So you could just slide them in, slide them out, use it for coffee cups, your water bottles. It's such a great, this is $15.
Oh,
wow.
great.
And we were talking yesterday, you got to use these because we can't be having the microplastics.
I know. I was
we
thinking.
learned about microplastics yesterday. We're not the same.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk bathroom, pantry, snacks.
This is the MVP of organizing products, in my opinion.
I agree.
We love a turntable, and this one's actually extra special because it has these little compartments.
Yeah.
So you can take it off, put it on the counter, and then put it away.
Oh, this
you
is
can
great.
use it under the bathroom sink. You could use it for cleaning
You need
products.
Tylenol, you take this out and take it.
Exactly, but you could also use it in a playroom, put little markers, and then you can put it out on the playroom, and then you can put it away, use it for snacks, as you've found.
This is so cool.
And it's just like a really great product, $26.99.
Okay, I'm obsessed with this.
Yes, label maker. If you don't label, did you organize? I mean, you need to label.
Yeah.
It's so important. This one's really awesome. It's handheld, so you can walk around your house and label all the things.
Oh my gosh,
weapon.
I need this.
And you can get all different kinds of label tape, colors, fonts, borders, symbols.
So you can be fun about it.
Yes, and your power strip. You can organize your power strip. You label it with the label maker. You could even wrap it around the cord so you remember what cord is what.
And you can put your name on it so it doesn't get lost.
That
inside.
too. That
Okay,
too.
let's talk about closets.
Yes, closets. Well, these are really awesome stackable bins. You can use them in any room, but I like them for closets because if you don't have any shelving, this is like your own little shelving area. Or if you have very deep shelves, very tall shelves, you can use the vertical space. So you stack these up. You don't have like a big towering pile of sweaters or jeans.
The worst.
Because you can just easily stack these and do smaller
And you know what? We need to label them so we know what's in there.
that too.
You also work with hats. Like they need to follow you.
Yes.
We don't follow you. And you need to help Matt organize his
Yes,
apartment.
I'll be coming over to your new place.
Okay, let's go to check out these items. And one bonus product, head to today.com/shop. And today may collect a commission on purchases made through our links.
Up